Hey, nieces and nephews, this is Uncle Chris. Feeling cozy? Want some nice soup to ease those winter blues? And all you got is this? Well, come on. Let's make some hot dog soup. Today on Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Yes, believe it or not, we are making hot dog soup. It is wonderful, it is warming to the bones, and it's good when that's all you got. Okay? Come on, let me show you how to do it. It's simple, really. All right, first things first. We're going to take our 4 hot dogs, chop them up. No rhyme, no reason. Just so that they'll be bite-sized pieces for our soup. Now, we're going to give our hot dogs a nice jacuzzi bath. Into the boiling water they go. Let's chop them up a little more and spread them around. I'm going to add a cup more of water. So I've got 2 cups of water in here. I'm going to let them boil till they are very good and done and tender. Yes. Our hot dogs are boiling. At this point, we take some no sodium chicken bouillon, 1 pack, and put it in. Stir it around. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to get some flavor to our water and our hot dogs and make a special hot dog water for our soup. All right. Let this continue to boil till it has reduced by a little less than half. Now it's almost reduced. So let's put in 1 clove of garlic, smashed. Some onion powder, but seasoned onion powder, or just plain onion powder. Mine has a little pepper in it. I'm putting in an Uncle Chris teaspoon. That's going to be my new saying. Then, you don't have to, but I'm putting it. Crushed red pepper. Teaspoon. Or a little more. Give it a gentle stir. Oh. Then let's check the aroma. Smell that. See, I wish they had smell-o-vision. Or aroma-vision. Oh, yeah. Aroma-vision, here we come. All right, wonderful. Our hot dog water is ready. I should say basis of soup. We're going to set this aside. We're going to put on a pot. Duh. I'm so silly. Take half a stick, just half now, or less, depending upon how you like it, of butter. And we're going to melt this down in the pot. Now that our butter is basically melted, I have chopped up 4 baby carrots, and I'm going to put them in. I've also chopped up 1 medium green pepper. I'm going to put that in. I put these in first because they are the hardest vegetables to cook. The onion cooks quickly, so it'll be put in last. We're going to stir these around and get them cooked down. I'm a poet and don't know it. Oh, God, help me. Off camera, I put in some more onion seasoning because you want flavor all through it. Sweat these vegetables till they're almost completely done, then add your onions. Veggies are basically done. Now let's add our onions. Let's incorporate them as well. You have a nice veggie base to this soup. So it's almost healthy. I'm crazy. No, it's pretty healthy, considering what you got. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons or 1 of flour to thicken our soup. We're going to stir it around just till we cook out that flour taste and mix it with the veggies. There's a method to my madness. Trust me on this. Now that we got the flour taste out, I'm going to put in our hot dogs and add our liquid all at the same time. Let me add that first part. Let me just stir this around. Oh yeah, look at that. See how it thickened up? Now, let's add the rest. Almost made a mess. Get all our liquid in there. Let's gently stir it around. Keep on stirring it. It all incorporates. See how thick it got? Now, oh yes, we're going to add some half and half. Now you can add milk or cream, but I'm using half and half because that's what I have. So that's what's going in. Just add enough till the soup isn't so viscous, or you think you've added enough. I'd say a half a cup to a cup. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm going to let this cook another 5, maybe 7 minutes to 10 minutes until I feel it is done. And then we're going to serve up our soup. It already looks good. I bet you didn't think it was going to look that good, did you? Oh, yes. Nieces and nephews, our soup is done. Let's plate this dish. Nieces and nephews, this came out so good. Look at that. You got to see this. It's hot, but look. Look at that. Yes, we made hot dog soup. And of course, I'm going to try it. After I blow this, of course, because you won't see me burn my mouth. Whoa. Nieces and nephews, this is a winner right here. This shows you how you can take something so simple and make it into something so delicious. Wow. Oh, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. That was really good. I want you to write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you're cooking. Let me know your recipes that you want me to show on the show. That soup was a hit. So if you just got some hot dogs and got some milk, some veggies, some stuff, you can put together a really good soup. That is just right to beat these winter blues and give you something warm to warm those bones. You know what I mean? Oh, hold on. I didn't have my little light on. Now, yes, did you see my post? The cookbook is coming. Finally. I'm so excited about that. I'm going to let you know that you can get it on my Uncle Chris, the YouTube channel. You can go over there. You'll see how to get it. I'll make sure you guys can get that and download it. And it's going to be just very, very inexpensive because I just need some help because the Uncle Chris mobile, as you know, went up and I had to get another car. which means car note, which means, help me. Anyway, and I got to deliver food to people. So it will really help out. Please buy my cookbook. Buy my cookbook. It's just going to be very, very inexpensive. It's the food pantry way of how to do savory treats and sweets and good meats and all kind of things. Okay? All right. Now, this was a collaboration with Simple Meals by T Vlog. Her video is coming out. Check out her link and her channel. Yes. Come on now. Show her some love. That woman can cook. And tomorrow, you will love what I'm cooking next. It's another wild recipe, but I think you're going to love it. All right? All right. Till tomorrow, big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?